Okay, so the whole objective of this is to transition from a two-dimensional to a three-dimensional perspective, at least give up the optical illusion of a three-dimensional perspective on a two-dimensional surface by experimenting with shades, soft, bright, and different shades of, let's say, red. So let's do this. So I'm a research scientist, and I have an infatuation for music. I study how to write, compose, arrange, transpose, and transcribe sheet music. But when I'm not studying, in terms of science and, 'cause science is a very mentally cumbersome process. I tend to stay away into music, writing, composing, arranging, transposing, transcribing. I love music. Music allows me to take my my intellectual capacity into a different arena. But what I find fascinating about art is primarily the whole three-dimensional optical illusion that's illustrated and demonstrated on a two-dimensional surface. And I started drawing as a way to clear my mind, because, why am I struggling to articulate